In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update your Pocket Broker browser. So if you want to get the latest version of this app, you can simply update it to the latest version. By updating your app, you'll be able to fix security issues. You'll also be able to fix bugs and also get the latest features that come with Pocket Broker app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright. Now, to update our app, we need to access the app through Google Play Store or App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android and therefore I'll go to Play Store. And from Play Store, look for your app and mine is here. From this, look for any option called Update. If you find it, it means that you are using an outdated version of Pocket Broker app. Now, all you need to do is to go ahead and tap on Update, and then this will proceed and update your app to the latest version. Once it is done, you'll see now this option called Open. For me, I can't update it because I already have the latest version. That's why it is written Open. And now once you open this, you'll start using the latest version of Pocket Broker app. So that's how you update your app to the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.